Hi there, I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the Lexy shoulder bag with snake embossed leather trim. If you like mixed material bag, this is definitely one of them that I would say is really interesting. It has a smooth leather on the top. It has the pebbled leather on the front here, and then snake skin on the side here. It does come with the antique nickel finish. I would say this is about a medium sized bag, and if you are like me, I really like white bag, but I don't like the high maintenance of this. This is really nice. As you can see, the strap here, the bottom side of it is the black color, so that's really nice. It comes with, as you can see, the side. Oh, let me push it back one more time. This is the comes with the antique finish Coach logo with the leather hand tag. The interesting part is the Coach side is white color, and then the other side is the snake skin. And let's look at the bag. And this is the bottom of the bag. Now, one thing nice about Lexy bag is it has 3 separate compartments here. On one side, it has a linen lining with 2 slip pockets. On the other side, it has a zip pockets and a major compartment, which is really deep. And of course, in the middle side of it, it has like a one major compartment for wallet and whatnot. Let's zip it out, shall we? And let's compare this to the size of the water bottle here. Right here, as you could see, the dimension of this bag is about 13 inches in length. It's about 10 3/4 inches in height, and about 4 3/4 inches in width. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.